Hello 7th standard. For our, I hope you people have written your notes of lesson number 2 of civics. Today we will start working with lesson number 3 of civics, and in this we will come to know about MLAs, who is MLA and how they work in legislative assemblies. Okay, अब ये लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज भी क्या होंगे, वो सब भी जो भी है आपके क्वेश्चंस will be sought out in this lesson itself. Okay, fine. If you have your textbooks with you, you can take out on page number 3030, lesson number 3, how the state government works. In this lesson we are going to discuss about state government. इस lesson में हम state government के बारे में knowledge लेंगे. But before we begin with our lesson, we have one conversation here of two students talking about certain water shortage in certain areas. Let us go through that first. Whose responsibility? Hey, look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in our state and people are falling sick. In many villages, people were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up and so have trends. In the worst affected areas, villagers have been carrying water across great distances. People at the district HQ Patalpuram receives water supply once in 3 days. The district hospitals here is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. See, पानी की कमी, that is during summer season जब shortage of water होता है, water की scarcity होता है, तो बहुत problem होती है, right? Like once water come in a day, and here it is written in one of the district, it came like once in 3 days. Just imagine, हमें घर की हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए कितना पानी चाहिए होता है, और जस्ट इमेजिन के 3 दिन में 3 डेज में सिर्फ 1 टाइम पानी आए, तो इट इज़ लाइक अनबिलीवेबल दैट हाउ वन विल मैनेज दैट, राइट? तो वो मैनेज कैसे होगा? और इतने कम पानी के साथ रहना मतलब ऑब्वियसली बीमारियां तो आएंगी ही आएंगी. और यहाँ पर दिस ओनली दे आर शोइंग के most of children are falling sick with the diarrhea, etc. On the TV news they said 10 people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from it? Who knows? Just hope I don't get it. My mother said not to have any iced drink from the market. She gave one of her lecture in morning. You have to be responsible for your health, Shirin. Haha. Stop. This road is blocked due to rally. They have garrotted the MLA's resident. Really? Why? Has he done something? Haha. They seem more angry about what he hasn't done. And we demand that the authorities take immediate action to bring the public health situation under control. Our MLA must take the responsibility for it. What a loud voice he has. He must be a leader or something. I saw him on TV too. He is a member of opposition. See, like both the girls were talking about water shortage news, what they read in newspaper. Then they talked that they had even seen in television also about this, that due to diarrhea almost 10 people died. Then one of the girl is telling that my mom told not to purchase any drink from market. It is we only have to take care of our health. And all of a sudden they were cycling on the road and going maybe to their home or somewhere, and all of a sudden traffic police stopped them for not to go on that particular road, as rally was coming from that road. Now which rally it was, that is people of that area where it's so much shortage of water, people of that area were coming to MLA's house to put their demand in front of MLA, like ये जो पानी की शॉर्टेज की बात है इसकी जवाबदारी MLA ले, और MLA देखे कि हम तक, दैट इज कॉमन पब्लिक तक पानी रेगुलरली पहुंचना चाहिए। ओके, सो सी पानी नहीं मिल रहा वो ठीक है, वो पता चलता है पीपल आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्कैरसिटी ऑफ वाटर, बट ये स्कैरसिटी ऑफ वाटर को एक छोटा इसका बड़ा सा इशू बना देते हैं ऑपोजिशन पार्टी, लाइक विच पार्टी इज रनिंग नाउ, जो पार्टी रूल कर रही है उसके अगेंस्ट जो पार्टी होती है वो उस पॉइंट को एक बड़ा सा इशू बना देते हैं और लोगों को ये बिलीव करवाते हैं कि MLA शुड डू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ दिस थिंग। ओके, so here the second last picture in which one man is speaking by taking mic in hand, that person was opposition party person who was provoking people that they also should speak the same, that MLA of our district should take responsibility of this। अब MLA responsibility ले, अब पहली बात MLA कौन होता है। Now the lesson begins। In the above section you read about some events in Patalpuram. You may be familiar with some official names such as collector, medical officers, etc. But have you heard about an MLA and the Legislative Assembly? Do you know the MLA of your area? Can you identify which party she or he belongs to? Now यहाँ पर MLA की बात कर रहे हैं, that is MLA कौन होता है। See, above section में ये जो conversation पड़ी है उसमें हमने देखा ऑपोजिशन पार्टी का MLA बोल रहा है, और सॉरी ऑपोजिशन पार्टी का लीडर बोल रहा है कि एरियाज MLA मस्ट टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, राइट। सो यू माइट हैव हियर्ड सो मेनी पॉलिटिकल नेम्स लाइक मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स, कलेक्टर, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एक्सेट्रा। ओके, नाउ member of legislative assembly MLA are elected by people, they then become members of legislative assembly। See, MLAs जो है वो लोग ही इलेक्ट करते हैं उनको, और वो फाइनली लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली का हिस्सा बनते हैं, एंड दे फॉर्म गवर्नमेंट, और वो लोग गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करते हैं स्टेट में, कंट्री में नहीं, स्टेट में। अगर कंट्री में कौन गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करता है, दैट इज मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स। ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टेट, तो स्टेट के मेंबर, स्टेट की गवर्नमेंट कौन बनाता है, MLAs, दैट इज लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के मेंबर्स। अंडरस्टूड? इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट MLA रिप्रेजेंट्स पीपल। The example below will help you to understand this better। तो MLA रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं लोगों को, वो हम नीचे जो एग्जाम्पल दी गई है उसमें समझेंगे। Every state in India has a legislative assembly। Each state is divided into different areas and constituencies। For example, look at the map below। It shows that the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies। From each constituency, the people elect one representative, then becomes the member of the legislative assembly। You would have noticed that people stand for election in the name of different parties। These MLAs therefore belong to different political parties। See, जैसे कि यहाँ पर हिमाचल प्रदेश का मैप दिखाया गया है, that is total 68 constituencies। We can tell it is divided into, जो स्टेट है वो अलग अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में डिवाइड होती है। So different districts ओके, कैन बी नोन एज कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज। और वो डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में एक एक लीडर बनाया जाता है जो लोग इलेक्ट करके चूज करते हैं, और वो लीडर एमएलए होता है। अब एमएलए जो होता है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्टीज को बिलोंग करके ही बनता है। अंडरस्टूड? सो जिस भी पार्टी का हो, अगर वो जीतता है तो वो उस एरिया का एमएलए बनता है। ओके, नाउ हियर I will stop here only. Please go through this much topic and we will continue our lesson from our next video. Till this, please go through the lesson once and go through my explanation as well. Conversation को समझिए कि अपने माइंड में क्वेश्चन लाइए कि आफ्टर ऑल पानी को लेकर ये रैली वगैरह क्यों, वो हम जानेंगे लेकिन इसी लेसन में इन आवर कमिंग वीडियोस। थैंक यू।